Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to the Block Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the black screen issue on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now of course it's a Galaxy A16 that we're seeing here. And of course I'll demonstrate how you can go about fixing the black screen problem. Now first of all, when you're having the black screen problem, the display will remain blank and you'll hear notifications coming in. However, you'll not be able to see anything on the display. Now it's not happening to this device. However, I'm going to demonstrate how we usually go about fixing it whenever we're having the problem. Do forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. So as you can see here, this is the Galaxy A16. So apply it to any A series or devices that are similar. And of course here, you'll locate the power button, which is right here. The volume down, which is this button here. Forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm going to hold down both volume down and power. So you're going to locate secure, so you're going to select power and volume down, and you're going to press and hold both at the same time. So that's power and volume down. You're going to press and hold both. Do not worry, your display will not come on like mine. However, just press and hold, so your display is going to remain blank as seen here. Alright, and of course, once you do this correctly of holding power and volume down, just simply keep holding. Alright, as soon as you see the Samsung logo, you're gonna let go. Alright, so what we did was a force reboot. And by force rebooting the device, what we have done in most cases is to give the system a force restart that should be able to fix the issue in question. Alright, so as you can see here, device will boot back up, and of course the display should start working again. Now of course this has been tried on various devices and it works flawlessly. So simply, as we said, hold down volume down and power at the same time. Keep holding even if there's nothing on the display. Let go when you see the flash of the Samsung logo, and of course it should come up back as seen in this particular device. I hope this tutorial was useful. As always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, demonstrating how to fix the black screen issue on your Samsung A16. See you in the next one guys. Bye.